frozen cranberries. Now I'm gonna come in with my light brown sugar, and we are gonna add half a tablespoon of brown sugar right on top of our cranberries, just like so. This is a super easy and delicious holiday treat that you're gonna wanna make all year round. It is that delicious. So we're just adding our brown sugar right into our greased muffin tin with those frozen cranberries. All right, last one. We need that sweetness to combat that tartness. Now I have my salted butter that I sliced into 12 pieces, and we're adding 1 pat of butter onto each cup in our muffin tin. This is just gonna help caramelize all of that brown sugar and add some good salty flavors to this dessert. All right, beautiful. All right, we're gonna move that to the side and bring in our bowl and our whisk. And we're gonna start off with our buttery recipe yellow cake mix. You can obviously do a homemade yellow cake mix, but I wanted this to be super easy and accessible so that everyone can recreate it this holiday season. All right, that whole box in there. I'm gonna add 1/3 of melted butter into our cake mix, just like so. And we're gonna keep this measuring cup because we're gonna add 1 cup of our orange juice. Give that a nice little shake. And that's what's gonna make this extra fun and festive. So instead of water, we're adding that orange juice, which is gonna be so yummy. I love orange and cranberry together, and this is no exception. So let's go ahead and pour that in there. Beautiful. Oh, that orange juice smells amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our eggs, and we just need 3 eggs for this, right into our bowl. 2, 3, perfect, no shells. For some extra orange flavor, I'm just gonna zest this orange right into our bowl, but this is optional. There's plenty of orange with that juice, but I just really love orange zest, and I think it's gonna just really brighten this whole entire dessert so that it is flavorful, it is festive, and it is something that people are gonna ask for seconds. Woo! Doesn't that smell amazing?
Whoa, the aroma is outrageous.
I'm not really good at zesting, but I'm getting it in there.
I don't think anyone is.
All right, we'll get all that goodness right out of our zester. And that should be plenty of zest because it's super potent. Now we're gonna grab our whisk and mix this all together. Ooh, cranberry, orange, deliciousness. I mean, what is not to love? Now this is great for, a holiday party, New Year's party. It is great year round because it's just so vibrant and so fun. And you can swap out the cranberries for a different fruit, for a blueberry, for a raspberry, but I think cranberries are absolutely delicious, especially when they're paired with orange. All right, this is fully mixed. Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna go ahead and bring back our muffin tin with our cranberries, and then we have a ice cream scoop so that we can scoop out some even cups of batter. And we're just gonna put that batter right on top, just like so. Make sure to not overfill it. Those cranberries will soften and kind of shrink, so it's okay to fill up your cups all the way for this dessert. So let's go ahead and get these filled. Yum. All right, last one. Get it nice and filled. Beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my, look at these beautiful little cranberry cupcakes. Oh, all right. Let's go ahead and flip this over onto our cutting board and do the best we can. Oh, okay. Make sure they all come out. I did run a knife along the edges of each one just to ensure they don't stick, but let's check them out. Look at those beauties. Muffins, whatever you want to call them. I am excited to get one. And I'm just gonna put one right on my mini plate.
They look so good.
Oh yeah. You should probably let them sit for a little bit, but you guys know I'm impatient. I'm so excited.
I definitely know.
I love my sweets. Oh, yes, it's perfectly cooked.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. That tartness with the orange, oh, it's beautiful.